Yo. So I'll show you my friends. See, I got even glasses. Wearing glasses out of nowhere. We got juice. Crazy shit, right? My friend has an interview and I don't know what the hell she's doing. Like, bro, interview in next 15 minutes and it's her sister's marriage. So we'll see what we can do. So eating food got cancelled because I want to eat with my friends. So all this traveling to Kerala just to eat, especially with my friend. So I'll wait. She hasn't. I can't say it loud. She already scolded me. So when she'll come back from that, show you how eating is done, bro. Finally, bro finished her interview and we will eat. Eat. She got married. Some photo session. But uta marana. Finally, eat. The only best part in my life is eating. I am born to eat, living to eat. Yeah, I'll show you the items. So sister's marriage got over. I'll show you how beautifully she looks. The guy is also good, but our sister, bro, is lucky. 1 wicket out. One more. Chandana. Can you see them? Lighting illa. Bye. Bye bye. Second sister done. Okay. Marriage done. Sister is going.